the haunted mouse. So now your position, move to middle C and left hand right next to your right hand. So one is holding the tight note, one is tapping the key with the dot. And also when you see the line that combine all notes together, you have to make sure you connect the notes one by one. Ready, set, go. Start from A, tap 3 times, hold to F, go down E, go down to A, 2, 3, rest, A, 2 and 4, tap, hold, go up to G, all the way down to B, 2, 3, 4, hold and tap, and hold twice, and tap, and hold twice, E, up, E, down, E, all the way down to A, go to the lowest key, A. Now sing with me and play and follow along. Ready, set, go. I'm a little mouse that in the haunted house. 2, 3, 4. I will always squeak when I hear people shriek. 3, 4. It's a lot of fun to watch them